My name is Dr. K. Srinivasulu from St. Peter's Engineering College. Today I start the diode resistance. So this is also one part under the ADU subject, analog and digital electronics. So diode resistance means, so the resistance is very important parameter in diode. So depending on the resistance, the current is passing or not. That is one important point. Another important point, so how many types of resistance in PN junction diode? How many types of resistances? Okay, so that things, see now. So types of resistance. Resistance of a diode classified into two types: forward resistance and reverse resistance. Forward resistance and reverse resistance. For example, forward resistance. Forward resistance means, and during the forward bias, the resistance are increasing or decreasing. So during the forward bias, the resistance is very small. So then only the current is passing. That means that is called the forward bias. So reverse resistance means during the reverse bias direction, the resistance is very large. So that only the current is not passing. So that means that is the reverse bias. Okay, so that means reverse resistance are used in reverse bias direction. Okay, so here forward resistance is again split into two types: static or DC forward resistance and dynamic or AC forward resistance. So in general, how many types of resistance? And static or DC resistance, that is one type of resistance. Second one, dynamic or AC resistance. So frequently, anybody to ask how many types of resistance? Two types: static or DC resistance. That is one type. Another one, dynamic or AC resistance. So these two resistance are used under the forward bias only. Under the forward bias. So here, static or DC resistance static means constant. That resistance is not changed. For example, in our circuit diagram, your resistor is 10 kilo. That is fixed value. That is called the static resistance. That is called the DC resistance. Okay. So this point very important. Static resistance, dynamic resistance, static resistance, dynamic resistance. So that means static means constant resistance. Dynamic resistance means variable resistance. For example, for 10 kilo, another sometime it will become a 5 ohms or 20 ohms, like that. That resistance value always changes. That is called the dynamic resistance. Please to remember. Okay, here two important points: static resistance, another name, or DC resistance. So here the static resistance means constant resistance. So another one, dynamic resistance, dynamic or AC resistance. So dynamic means variable resistor. That means that value is always changes. Okay. So these two points are very important. So our topic, diode resistance, that's all. Diode resistance are classified two types: forward resistance, reverse resistance. Under the forward resistance, second classified two categories. One is static or DC forward resistance. Second one, dynamic or AC forward resistance. Okay, please to remember. Next one. So here the two types of resistance takes place in forward bias diode are static resistance or DC resistance. Another one, dynamic resistance or AC resistance. What is the static resistance? static resistance or DC resistance. Static resistance is also defined as the ratio of DC voltage applied across the diode to the DC current or direct current flowing through the diode. DC current, DC means direct current. AC means alternating current, that's all. So here the resistance offered by the PN junction diode under forward biased condition is denoted as RF. RF, F means forward, R means resistance, forward resistance. Okay, so that is the static resistance. So that one RF is equal to, forward resistance is equal to DC voltage by DC current. This is the formula for finding of the forward resistance. DC voltage divided by DC current. Please. Next one, what is the dynamic resistance or AC resistance? AC means alternating current. So here dynamic means variable resistance. Please keep in our mind, dynamic means variable. Once you are remembering that word, once you are understanding that meaning of the dynamic, automatically you can easily to understanding the remaining concept. So variable, that's that resistor value is variable. That is called the dynamic resistance. So when forward bias voltage is applied to the PN junction diode that is connected to AC circuit, and AC or alternating current flows through the diode. What happened? Dynamic resistance is defined as the ratio of change in voltage to the change in current. Okay. So the dynamic resistance is also defined as the ratio of change in voltage to the change in current. It is denoted by R. For RF. Okay, RF. So that for one formula is, so RF is equal, forward resistance is equal to change in voltage divided by change in current. Change in voltage divided by change in current. So here one more important point. So diode resistance means, so the diode resistance, how much resistance, depending on the resistance, the diode is connecting, forward bias or reverse bias. When resistance is small, automatically the current will be going. That is called the forward bias. So when resistance value is more, that means no current is passing in the diode. That is the reverse bias. These things are very important. After that, the diode resistance are classified into two categories: forward resistance and reverse resistance. Under the forward resistance, again classified into two categories: static or DC resistance, another one dynamic or AC resistance. So here static resistance or DC resistance means constant resistance. Okay, next one, dynamic resistance or AC resistance means variable resistance. So that means the resistor value is always changes. Okay, so these things are very, very important. Okay, so please try to remembering the what is the diode resistance. Very simple point. Okay, thank you for watching this video.